So let's work at A sharp. I'm going to change this to A sharp. We're now working in A sharp. The relationship between the notes is that it starts on this one and it goes up one semitone. So let's find a place in A sharp where we've got two semitones next to each other. That's A sharp there. This is sitting on A sharp now. There we go. So we've got F sharp and F. That's bang where you want a bass line to be. And so this note here is on an F, which is, in Studio One, when you click a note that's in your scale, as long as you've got audition and scale selected, it flashes up blue here. So that's an F. F sharp is also in A sharp minor. And then this one, C sharp, is in A sharp minor as well. So let's see how that sounds.
Donkey no business in a champion race. 3D yard we come fi mash up the place. When they set it, no boy can't take it. Say who can't take it, better go on and lift it. Tell the whole donkey no business.
I think that sounds great.